Hi, I'm CJ Van Peppen and this is the Lure by Mosaic construction update for July 2018. Well, it's been a very busy month on site for the Mosaic construction team, working very hard on precincts 4, 3 and 2. We're very proud to announce that precinct 4 has now reached the stage of practical completion and precincts 2 and 3 are very close behind. In the coming weeks, the Mosaic construction team will be working hard on precincts 2 and 3 with an anticipated practical completion date of mid-August. As the project is now nearing completion, this will be our last video construction update. However, we look forward to bringing you a completed video of the Lure project in the near future.